Okay, so if we were in a classroom, this would be the time where most of you, well, I'm going to say 50% of you, would be screaming and yelling about the fact that you don't know how to make a website. I, of course, be concerned about this as you guys are supposed to be the most technologically advanced generation. And the fact that some of you don't know basic computer stuff should be terrifying to you. I would probably make some joke about go back to middle school to the person who was supposed to teach you computers and punch them in the face. But I'm not there to make that joke, so let's just get going. You're going to need to make a website for this project. It would probably be beneficial if you did all of your work on a website for this class. That way it's all in one place. Let's just do it. So if you want to open up a new tab here, if you just Google Sites, because the name of the site that I want you guys working on is Google Sites. If you know a more robust web design, if you can Flash code or if you HTML5 code, if you can do that kind of stuff, then go with what you know. If you don't know how to make anything, just go with Google Sites. It's easy. It's like Google Docs, really. I would let you guys do it on Google Docs, but the only problem is you can't embed video on Google Docs, and I don't want to be following a bunch of links. I just want to watch the videos all in one place. All right, so if you Google Sites and you go to it, you should look something like this. You can click Create there, but I actually like the new Google Sites because it's actually more like Google Docs than the old one. All right, looks like it should take me to this. If you've made a website in the past, you'll see them all here. These are all websites created by Last Try's students. Of course, some of you were actually Last Try students. Of course, if you're a Last Try student, I guarantee I don't have this website, which is the reason why you're back here for third try with me. Just like I told you you would be. Oh yeah, this. So just click on the Create a New Site button. A lot of waiting today. Hopefully your computer doesn't make you wait like this. Creates an awkward moment in a video. I should hit pause, but okay, never mind. Okay, so here you are. You have created your own website. This is now yours. Now, here's what I would have you do. Go up to this and title it your name. So I'm going to call it Taylor's Civics page. Civics site. Ooh, sounds cool. All right, so now that I've named the website, this is just the title, and you can come down here and do some of the same. Taylor Civics. Of course, your name probably isn't Taylor, so it would be, oh my God, Civics. Your name probably isn't Taylor, so put your name there. All right, now, if you have time, and by the way, you have nothing but time, you can change the background on this so that, it doesn't look so, I don't know, pathetic, I guess. But you have nothing but time, so there you go. So now this is going to be just the splash page, just the front page of the website. Normally, I would have you guys write like an about me, and I might do that just because it's fun. So you've now created a page, which means you need to create, this is your website. Now you need to create a different page on your website. So we're going to go to pages here. We're going to move that box again, hit plus. So now we're adding a new page. What are we going to call this page? We're going to call it Book of Songs because it's the project that you need to create. And boom. Now we've created a secondary page. We have our home page. Boom, Taylor Civics. And we have our secondary page, Book of Songs here. Yeah, well, I'm not going to start listening to voicemails. If you've been leaving me voicemails, I don't even know how to check that thing. I'm clueless about it. All right. So now that we have, well, this is just a weird time to get all these email announcements. All right. So now that we've done this, the first topic is a moment that defines the person that we are. All right. The person that you say you are, right? So let's add that in. So we add text, and this is week 1. one moment. Oh, because that stupid box keeps coming up. Personal moment. You piece of garbage. Every time I get a thing. Alright. Yeah, you'll figure it out. Alright, so the week one is the personal moment that matters. Now we're going to need a song that is accompanied with this. So again, every time you want to add something to your website, just double click on the mouse pad. It'll bring up this wheel here. Okay? So we are going to embed a song to represent our personal moment number one. So my personal moment number one is going to be the song Shook One by Mobb Deep. So if you go to YouTube, who's calling me? All right. So if you, why is this thing going so slow? What a piece of junk. Plus the fan is running, so like, oh, let's not get me fired. All right, so on YouTube, you'll have, I mean, it's videos, right? So if you go to the share button, you have some options here. You can either get the embed code, which I would recommend, or if you hit share, you can just get this copy code and copy. If you're on YouTube, because YouTube is owned by Google, the interface is actually pretty nice. Now we go back to the website and we're going to embed a video. So we go over here to insert. All right. See how you have all these options down here? If you scroll down, you'll find insert from YouTube. Then just plug in the thing we copied. There it is. And boom! Look at that. We have done it. We've embedded the video onto the website. Wasn't it easy? If I were there. Okay, anyways. All right, now, the second thing we need for each one of these assignments is we need a framed pullout of the lyrics, the lyrics that make us feel how the moments make us feel, or the topics make us feel. So again, it is feeling to feeling, abstract idea to abstract idea. It is not, you're not finding a song that's about the economy or even talks about the economy. It's simply how one makes you feel compared to how one makes you feel. So you're going to need to do more explaining to have that all make sense. So we need to find the lyrics of Mobb Deep's. We could probably, if we went back, most songs, if you just Google them, they'll come up. Okay, so here's the lyrics. Let's see here. There's a line in here. All right, so there's a line in here, right here. You're all on the streets. Myself. Now we're close to. All right, so my moment in my life that defines the person that I am. The song lyrics make me feel the same way the moment makes me feel. So I go back to my website and double tap, and I'm going to add a text, and I'm just going to drop it in. Now, to get fancy on you here, I'm going to take these lyrics, I'm going to bold them because why not, and then I'm going to add a background color to make it pop or stand out. Whoa, how neat. So, no need to get anything past that. If you want to do something fancier than that, I'd be down for it, but do not put the entire lyrics of the entire song in this website. It will drive me insane. Only take the one paragraph, one stanza part that focuses in on your feeling, that you can draw the comparison to. All right, so now you've added the lyrics, and now it's just a matter of adding rationale, like your thoughts on this. So again, we're just hitting text. We're going to title this one Rationale. And a reminder that for the rationale, you need two pieces of research. For the personal moments, you can just tell the moment. You can just tell the story in first person. You don't need additional research. But let's say we were doing this one on the economy. You'd have to think about how you feel about the economy. Then you'd have to find a song that makes you feel the same way. Then you need to find 2 pieces of research about why you feel that way about the economy. Whether it's good or bad or whatever. But you need to do some additional research there. And your rationale goes here. And again, this is like, it's 3 paragraphs, maybe 4. It's a page of writing. I had thought about having you guys make videos to do it, but as I only have like 20 videos on that Flipgrid thing, I don't know that you guys are video making students. So I'm open to the idea. Typically, a 2-minute video would be about a page of writing, so if it would be easier for some of you to, instead of writing out that full rationale, if you wanted to speak it out, but you would still need the 2 additional pieces of research. I don't know. Let's stick with writing for right now, because maybe I'll put up a poll to see how you guys feel about that. But there you go. Now the rationale goes there, all your writing goes there, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a website. For the next week, after this one, you would go back to Pages, and you would hit New Page. Actually, I wonder if we could just do a sub-page. Oh, wouldn't that be cool? Actually, let's delete this. Guess there's no reason for you guys to be making a bunch of new pages. Yoink. You can just keep scrolling down. Or you can make a new page. I don't care either way. Let's say we wanted to make... let's delete that. So you can just, if you want... you can just keep scrolling and creating new boxes underneath this. This is infinite space. So to add more, you just have to double tap on it and it will just keep adding space and just keep scrolling down. If you wanted, you wanted to keep it nice and clean, you wanted to add a new page each one, you could add a sub page and we would call that page week 2. And that one is, week 2 is your high school moment. Now we have a subpage. So week 2, high school moment, same thing, insert a video, take lyrics, copy just 1 stanza, 1 paragraph of the lyrics, post the lyrics underneath the video, then the rationale to follow. Rationales always have to include actual facts. You need to look up several. I believe the minimum for each one is 2. So doesn't matter what you are writing about, any of the topics, you need actual facts to back up how you feel, your reasoning, and that's some standard academic claim-based writing. All right, that's it. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Now, I bring to you the most important thing that you will do, because if you don't do this, I'll never see anything. You have to go up here and hit the publish button. It's going to ask you to name it. Try 3. So you have to hit the publish button. If you don't hit the publish button, I'll never see it. Now, the way this works, Google is actually pretty good about in the moment saving, but the easiest way to know that the work that you've been doing has been saved is just to keep hitting that publish button. Once you hit that publish button and you need to turn in work, never copy and paste this. That is your edit code. That is, I would have to be logged into your account to be able to see it. You want to click on this. That is the copy link, and it's going to be the copy link that's associated with each page. So let's say I asked you to turn in week number 1. You would go to week 1, you would hit the copy link, and that is the link that you submit. Easy peasy. So make sure that you've hit that publish button. If you wanted to change your publish settings, like if you are someone who I don't know, you don't want to work on the school's website for some reason, chances are you're going to need to change your sharing settings to make sure that I can actually see your video or you see your website. All right, that is it. That's how you make a website. It is unbelievably easy. I would encourage you to play with this space. If you had me as a sophomore, you definitely made a website. So there you go. All right, 15 minutes. My God, that is terrifying. That's all I have. Have a good day.